Are you tired of being denied a basic checking account? Introducing the U.S. Bank Second Chance Smartly account, designed to give you a fresh start towards financial success. With this Second Chance Smartly account, you'll have all the benefits of a traditional checking account, without the need for a perfect banking history. Let's face it, sometimes life throws unexpected challenges our way. But don't worry, our dedicated team at U.S. Bank is here to help you rebuild your financial reputation. With our Second Chance Smartly account, you can easily manage your money, make payments, and even set up direct deposits, just like any other checking account. We believe in providing second chances because everyone deserves the opportunity to succeed. Plus, with our Smart Goals feature, you can set financial targets and track your progress towards your dreams. It's like having a personal financial coach right at your fingertips. But that's not all. As a Second Chance Smartly account holder, you'll also gain access to free online banking in our award-winning mobile app. Manage your money on the go, stay on top of your balance, and receive helpful notifications all in one place. Don't let past financial setbacks hold you back any longer. Join the thousands of customers who have already taken advantage of the Second Chance Smartly account and start your journey towards financial success today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful financial tips and updates. Welcome to United Bank's Second Chance Banking. Are you struggling to open a bank account due to past financial difficulties? We're here to help you get back on track. With Second Chance Banking, we believe everyone deserves an opportunity to rebuild their financial future. So, what exactly is Second Chance Banking? It's an account designed specifically for individuals who may have faced financial challenges and have been denied by traditional banks. We understand that life can throw unexpected curveballs, and we want to provide you with a fresh start. With a United Bank Second Chance account, you'll gain access to a suite of banking services tailored to meet your needs. Enjoy convenient online and mobile banking, allowing you to manage your money anytime, anywhere. Say goodbye to the limitations and frustrations of not having a bank account. You'll also receive a United Bank debit card to make purchases and withdraw cash at ATMs nationwide. Plus, we offer free direct deposit, so you can have your paycheck automatically deposited into your account, saving you time and hassle. One of the best features of our Second Chance Banking is no minimum balance requirement. We understand that you may need time to rebuild your finances, and we don't want any additional burdens. Rest assured, we're here to support you on your journey. To open a United Bank Second Chance account, simply visit our website or walk into any of our convenient branches. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff will guide you through the process, making it as smooth and effortless as possible. Don't let past financial difficulties define your future. Take advantage of United Bank's Second Chance Banking and give yourself the opportunity to rebuild, save, and thrive. Join the thousands who have already found a fresh start with us. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found the information helpful. If you'd like to stay updated on the latest news and tips, subscribe to our channel. United Bank, empowering you towards financial freedom. Did you ever wonder who was behind the creation of early warning services? Well, today we unveil the truth and reveal the mastermind. Early Warning Services, the renowned financial technology company, was created by none other than a team of innovative minds who had a shared vision of revolutionizing the financial industry. Led by their brilliant leader, this team was determined to develop a comprehensive system that would enable financial institutions to detect and prevent fraud, identity theft, and other types of financial crimes. They put their heads together and developed cutting-edge technologies and advanced algorithms that would become the cornerstone of Early Warning Services' success. Months of research, development, and rigorous testing followed, ensuring that the system they were creating would be reliable, secure, and highly efficient. Thanks to their dedication and expertise, Early Warning Services was born, officially launching its groundbreaking platform that would become a game-changer in the financial landscape. Today, Early Warning Services is recognized as a leading provider of fraud prevention and risk management solutions to financial institutions worldwide, empowering them to protect their customers and maintain the integrity of their operations. So, next time you enjoy secure financial transactions or experience fraud prevention measures, remember that it all started with the vision and hard work of a team of brilliant individuals behind Early Warning Services. Are you struggling to get approved for a traditional bank account? Don't worry, Chase Bank has a solution for you. Introducing Chase Bank Second Chance Banking, a hassle-free way to get back on track financially. With Second Chance Banking, you don't need to worry about your past financial mistakes. Chase Bank believes in giving everyone a fresh start. Open an account with no minimum deposit required. That's right, no more stressing about having enough money to get started. Chase Bank understands that every dollar counts. Enjoy all the benefits of a regular Chase Bank account. Get access to online and mobile banking, secure transactions, and a user-friendly interface to manage your finances anytime, anywhere. No monthly service fee. Chase Bank wants to support you in rebuilding your financial stability, so they've waived the monthly fee typically associated with second chance banking. Get a debit card that you can use for purchases, bill payments, and ATM withdrawals. It's time to regain your financial independence with Chase Bank's Second Chance Banking. Rebuild your banking reputation and improve your credit score. With responsible banking practices, you'll be on your way to a brighter financial future. So, what are you waiting for? Visit your nearest Chase Bank branch and ask about Second Chance Banking. Don't let past mistakes define your financial future. Chase Bank is here to help you take control. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and updates from Chase Bank. Welcome to Key Bank, where we believe in second chances. Introducing Key Bank Second Chance Banking, the perfect opportunity to unlock your financial potential. Are you tired of being turned down by other banks? With Key Bank Second Chance Banking, you can leave those frustrations behind. We understand that everyone deserves a fresh start, regardless of their past mistakes or credit history. With Key Bank Second Chance Banking, you get all the benefits of a traditional checking account, without the unnecessary barriers. Say goodbye to minimum balance requirements and hello to a world of financial possibilities. Managing your money is made easy with our user-friendly online and mobile banking platforms. Keep track of your transactions, pay bills, and even deposit checks from the comfort of your own home. Plus, you'll have access to over 1,200 Key Bank ATMs nationwide, ensuring your money is always within reach. But that's not all. With Key Bank Second Chance Banking, you can build a stronger financial future. Take advantage of our financial wellness tools, including budgeting assistance and credit-building resources, to improve your financial health. Unlock the opportunities that Key Bank Second Chance Banking has to offer. Visit our website or stop by one of our branches today to get started. Key Bank, helping you achieve your goals, one chance at a time. Remember to like and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Welcome to GTE Financial Credit Union, where we believe everyone deserves a second chance at financial freedom. Introducing our Second Chance Banking program, designed to help individuals who have had challenges with their past banking history. We understand that life happens, and that's why we're here to give you a fresh start. With GTE Financial Credit Union Second Chance Banking, you can open a new checking account, even if you have a history of low credit scores or previous banking issues. Say goodbye to denials and hello to opportunities. Our program allows you to rebuild your financial reputation, giving you access to the banking services you need, so you can move forward with confidence. Not only do we offer a second chance, but we also provide the tools and resources to help you succeed. Our convenient mobile app lets you manage your money on the go, track your spending, and set up alerts to stay on top of your finances. You'll also have access to our network of ATMs and branches, providing you with the convenience and flexibility you deserve. At GTE Financial Credit Union, we believe in you and your financial goals. We want to be a partner on your journey to achieving your dreams. So, why wait any longer? It's time to take control of your financial future. Join us today and experience the power of GTE Financial Credit Union Second Chance Banking. We're going to unlock GTE financial eligibility and show you everything you need to know to access the financial services you deserve. First things first, let's talk about membership. GTE Financial is a credit union, which means it's member-owned. In order to become a member, you need to meet certain eligibility requirements. Now, you might be wondering, what are these eligibility requirements? It's actually quite simple. GTE Financial membership is available to anyone who lives or works in certain counties in Florida and Georgia. And don't worry if you're not in that area, because we also offer membership to employees of certain companies and organizations. So, there's a good chance you're eligible. Once you become a member, you'll have access to a wide range of financial products and services. From savings accounts to auto loans, from credit cards to mortgages, we've got you covered. But that's not all. GTE Financial is also committed to helping you improve your financial health. We offer financial education resources, like workshops and seminars, to help you make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. So, why wait? Unlock your GTE Financial eligibility today and start enjoying the benefits of membership. Visit our website or give us a call to get started. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Best of luck on your financial journey. Are you tired of being denied a bank account because of past financial difficulties? Introducing Capital One 360 Second Chance Banking Solution. We believe everyone deserves a fresh start. With our Second Chance Banking, we help you break the barriers that have held you back. Our mobile app makes managing your money a breeze, keeping you in control wherever you go. Say goodbye to costly money orders and prepaid cards. Get a Capital One 360 debit card and shop with confidence. We offer personalized support to guide you on your financial journey. Plus, gain access to financial education resources and workshops to help you build a brighter future. Breaking barriers is what we do. Join us and experience Capital One 360 Second Chance Banking Solution. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more empowering financial solutions. Are you tired of struggling to maintain a checking account? Wells Fargo understands that everyone deserves a second chance when it comes to their financial future. Introducing Wells Fargo Second Chance Banking. We believe in giving our customers the opportunity to rebuild their credit and regain their financial independence. With Wells Fargo Second Chance Banking, you'll have access to a secure and reliable debit card. Say goodbye to the hassle of carrying cash and hello to the convenience of making purchases anywhere Visa is accepted. Managing your finances is now easier than ever. With our user-friendly mobile app, you can check your account balance, transfer funds, and even deposit checks with just a few taps on your smartphone. Our dedicated team of bankers is ready to help you every step of the way. We offer personalized guidance and support to help you achieve your financial goals. Whether you're looking to save for a dream vacation or purchase a car, we're here to help you succeed. Don't just take our word for it. Hear success stories from our satisfied customers who have turned their financial lives around with Wells Fargo Second Chance Banking. At Wells Fargo, we believe in second chances. Let us help you rebuild your financial future. Open a Wells Fargo Second Chance Banking account today and take the first step towards a brighter tomorrow. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. Are you struggling to get a fresh start in building your financial future? Introducing the mile-per-hour Second Chance Bank account. We understand that everyone makes mistakes and deserves a second chance. That's why we created this special bank account designed specifically for people who have had difficulty with banking in the past. With a mile-per-hour Second Chance Bank account, you can say goodbye to being turned away by traditional banks. We believe in giving you the opportunity to rebuild your financial history and get back on track. There are no credit checks or check systems verification required to open an account. We believe in you and your potential to succeed. With our Second Chance Bank account, you can enjoy the convenience of online banking, bill pay, and mobile deposits. We want to make managing your money as easy as possible. You'll also receive a debit card that can be used to make purchases worldwide, so you can confidently take control of your finances. Plus, we offer free financial education resources to help you develop valuable money management skills. We're here to support you every step of the way on your journey to financial success. Don't let your past define your future. Open a mile-per-hour Second Chance Bank account today and put yourself on the path to financial freedom. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful information on achieving your financial goals. Welcome to Citibank's Second Chance Bank Account Explained. If you're ready to rebuild and thrive, this is the account for you. Are you looking for a fresh start? With Citibank's Second Chance Bank account, you get just that. We understand that life can be full of unexpected turns, and sometimes, we all need a second chance. With our Second Chance Bank account, you can leave your past behind and focus on the future. We believe in giving everyone an opportunity to rebuild their financial foundation and achieve their goals. One of the greatest advantages of our Second Chance Bank account is that it doesn't require a credit check. That means, regardless of your credit history, you can still access all the benefits of a traditional bank account. Stay connected and manage your account easily with our user-friendly online and mobile banking platforms. Check your balance, transfer funds, pay bills, and track your expenses, all at your fingertips. But that's not all. We understand that fees can become a burden, especially when you're trying to get back on your feet. That's why our Second Chance Bank account offers low or no monthly maintenance fees, helping you save money while rebuilding. When you choose Citibank's Second Chance Bank account, you'll also have access to our extensive network of ATMs, ensuring convenience wherever you go. Plus, you can enjoy the added security of our advanced fraud protection measures. Whether you're trying to build your credit, save for the future, or simply manage your day-to-day finances, Citibank's Second Chance Bank account is here to support you on your journey. Join the thousands of customers who have turned their lives around with our Second Chance Bank account. Start rebuilding and thriving with Citibank today. Speaker, are you looking for a fresh start to your financial journey? Introducing the PNC Second Chance Bank account, designed to help you unlock new opportunities. Speaker, with the PNC Second Chance Bank account, you can enjoy all the benefits of a traditional bank account, even if you have had financial difficulties in the past. Speaker, access your account anytime, anywhere, with our convenient mobile banking app. Speaker, enjoy the freedom of a PNC debit card, accepted at millions of locations worldwide. Speaker, deposit checks easily with PNC ATMs, without the need for a branch visit. Speaker, plus, gain valuable financial insights and personalized guidance from our dedicated PNC Bank representatives. Speaker, with the PNC Second Chance Bank account, you can take control of your financial future and unlock new opportunities for success. Speaker, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial tips and updates. Are you tired of being denied access to basic banking services? SunTrust understands the struggle many face when trying to open a bank account. That's why we're breaking barriers with our new SunTrust Second Chance Bank account. No more feeling excluded or limited. With the SunTrust Second Chance Bank account, we believe everyone should have the opportunity to have a fresh financial start. We know that sometimes life gets complicated, and credit challenges may arise. That's where the SunTrust Second Chance Bank account can help. We provide a safe and secure environment for you to manage your money and rebuild your financial standing. Whether you're a student, recently unemployed, or have a history of financial challenges, SunTrust is here to assist you. Our mobile banking app makes it easy to access your account, check balances, make deposits, and pay bills right from your smartphone. And don't worry about finding an ATM nearby. With the SunTrust Second Chance Bank account, you'll have access to an extensive ATM network, allowing you to conveniently withdraw cash whenever you need it. Managing your finances has never been easier. Our online banking platform provides you with 24/7 access to your account, allowing you to track expenses, set up automatic bill payments, and even create savings goals. So why wait another day? Join thousands of others who have already taken advantage of this opportunity. Break free from financial barriers with the SunTrust Second Chance Bank account. Visit our website or stop by your nearest SunTrust branch to get started today. Thank you for watching this video and learning about the SunTrust Second Chance Bank account. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful financial tips and updates.